Local news for Thursday the 3rd of May. The latest monthly QV House Price Index shows that nationwide residential property values for April increased 7.6% over the past year, while values rose 1.1% over the past 3 months. South Wairarapa experienced the greatest value growth over the past year, up 23%. The Greytown Crash Rescue Team will compete against 15 others later this month at the United Fire Brigades Association of New Zealand Combined Regional Road Crash Rescue Challenge. Held at the Manfield Stadium, Chief Executive Officer Bill Busbatch says while it presents as a competition, the event has a serious flavour of available opportunities to learn and have the firefighters refine their skills so they're better equipped to respond to the unpredictable range of road crash scenarios. And in sport, Maryborough have been drawn to play away in the Chatham Cup first round, and they'll have a tough task as well as they take on Kapiti Coast United. But good on them for being there, and we wish them the best of luck.